15 Things Every Woman Needs, according to Adriana Lima. Beautiful and inspiring, no wonder she has become the favorite angel to some, perhaps even yours. Adriana Lima's charm shines through, not just on the runway, but also whenever the cameras find her. The thing is, even without makeup, she still looks amazing. Since she's such an inspiration, we dug into her beauty tips and daily routine and came up with these 15 things Adriana Lima thinks every woman, including you, yes, you, need. So if you want to know the secret to her amazing look, both with and without makeup, keep watching this video. Are you ready to be inspired? Here we go! Number 1. BB cream and primer. Some girls choose one and some choose the other. Adriana chooses both. In fact, she applies them all together. Yes, you heard that right, she mixes her BB cream and primer as the foundation of her makeup. This mixture gives you the glow on your skin, yet also a matte finish, the perfect way to start the beauty routine. Number 2. Nude eyeshadow. While other models like to apply colorful eyeshadow, Adriana likes to keep it simple and natural. This is important when you have prominent features such as dominant eyes and thick lips. Those features don't need any color boost. She chooses nude eyeshadow only to accentuate one of her strongest features, her eyes, but not to overpower. She would mix two colors to best match her skin tone. Psst, she also applies the eyeshadow a little bit under the eye. Number 3. Highlighter. Like the nude eyeshadow, Adriana prefers the soft and natural colors for her highlighter. She would apply some underneath her eyebrows to make them more popped. The purpose of highlighter, as you can tell from its name, is to highlight your best feature. Adriana has beautiful, natural eyebrows. When you are blessed with the same feature, don't overdo it by drawing your eyebrows and risking it to look unnatural. Number 4. English breakfast tea. Before we continue on Adriana Lima's tips of beautifying self, let's take a look at her morning routine. While sharing her 2-minute party makeup on Vogue's YouTube channel, Adriana took a second to sip through a cup of tea. As the angel herself said, it was English breakfast tea, and her favorite is with honey. Starting your day with a cup of tea will help you relax and rejuvenate at the same time. This is important to stay fresh and look fresh. Number 5. Mascara. This is her go-to and always have makeup kit. When she's not modeling, she would only apply 2 things: mascara, lots of it, and lip balm. She would apply the mascara on both top and bottom eyelashes. Putting on eye makeup is on her list of must-do things every day. Number 6. Contour. Like the highlighter, Adriana only applies a little bit of contour and she uses it not to contour her face. Instead, she just applies some on her cheeks and forehead, just to add more color shades to her face. Remember to choose the right shade for your skin tone. Number 7. Blush. Highlighter, contour, and blush. These are the 3 things Adriana thinks every woman should have for their occasional makeup. Some would only pick one, but to achieve the mesmerizing look Adriana always pulls off, you need all 3. After highlighting and contouring, it's time to add that popping color with the blush. Apply just a little bit on your cheeks, not too much, and blend them with your fingers. Don't let the color overpower your skin tone, though. Number 8. Lipstick. Adriana loves her lipstick. We cannot emphasize how much she does. She even admitted that she is obsessed with it, especially those with bold red colors. Choosing the right shade is important as each will give you a different look. When you don't know which shade to apply, just try them on one by one. Even Adriana Lima does that. Here are some pro tips for you. First, apply nude shade lipstick. Then wipe it off a little bit before you put on the last shade you want. Number 9. Facial cleanser. Cleansing your face from makeup is as important as putting it on, if not more important. When you use makeup on a daily basis, you need to have a proper facial cleanser. Adriana Lima would go for the organic one. Let's face it, makeup kits have chemical substances in it. Adding more while cleansing them is the last thing you need. So organic facial cleanser is a smart choice. She got her facial cleanser from Herve Haro in Paris. It is especially homemade for her skin. Number 10. Hair conditioner. Now that the face department is covered, don't forget your hair. This is another prominent feature Adriana Lima has, and it comes from her routine taking care of it in the first place. Her secret to shiny, healthy hair is that she keeps switching hair conditioner. She does this so that her hair doesn't get used to the same conditioner, which will lessen the effect. Beautiful and smart, you just keep charming us, Adriana. Number 11. Avocado. Wait a minute, what? Yes, ladies, you do need to add avocado on your grocery shopping list. Why? Well, first, it is nutritious and delicious. And second, it can make your hair shine like Adriana's. To achieve the latter, you don't eat the avocado. Instead, you mix it into your conditioner or hair mask. Yep, it's an avocado hair mask. Leave it on for a while before you wash it off with water. Psst, this is a secret Brazilian beauty tip. Number 12. Fragrance. Ladies, it's time to invest in a good perfume. No more cheap cologne. As Adriana said once, the fragrance is important. It is a symbol of femininity, and every woman must have her own fragrance that suits her persona. Adriana's choices of fragrance are Divine Decadence and, of course, the Victoria's Secret Intense. Number 13. Sunscreen. Don't you dare leave the house without applying this first. No matter how good you put on your makeup, it is not as important as keeping your skin healthy, and protecting it with sunscreen when you go outdoors is a must. Adriana always puts on some sunscreen before she goes outside to work out. Sunbum is her choice. It's light on your skin, which is important when you know you're going to sweat a lot. Number 14. Coconut oil. This is common among models and actresses. Coconut oil, even those you use for cooking, can be used to keep your skin healthy. Just apply it to your face, leave it on for a while before you wash it off with your facial cleanser. But remember to choose the organic coconut oil. Number 15. Zen time. Last but definitely not least, perhaps even the most important, is Zen time. Yes, ladies, to have a beautiful look like Adriana Lima, you need a beautiful mind. The word Zen itself means teachings of Buddhism, which emphasizes the value of meditation and intuition. So, a Zen time is a time you meditate. What you need to understand is meditation doesn't always mean yoga. Your form of meditation, your Zen time, can be anything from painting to traveling. Adriana's Zen time is boxing. Yes, boxing. If you think of it, boxing is probably the opposite of yoga, except for the workout part. But Adriana finds herself in a meditative state when she boxes. And she said herself, "When I'm boxing, I'm not in my head." If you don't know what activity can be your Zen time, the only way to find out is to try some. You can start with the very basic and common, yoga, or try some of our recommendations: reading a book in a quiet place, a road trip to a natural park, swimming, watching an orchestra concert, or dancing. Have fun! So how about it, ladies? These 15 things are easy to get and do, yet the impact on your life, especially your look, will be tremendous. If you're still looking to be inspired, check out these other videos we have selected just for you. We would love to be a part of your self-betterment journey, so feel free to share your thoughts on the comment section. See you there!